faculty members and our precious students. I present before you 2018 Polytechnic Diploma students of Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Civil Engineering and Electronics Engineering, who have been examined and their academic performance has been certified and found worthy for this diploma. I request that they be awarded the diplomas as directed by ITI Lucknow. Secondly, here I declare the name of our meritorious students from each branch. Firstly, who will receive their awards along with certificate and diploma from our guest. But before performing this duty, first I heartily congratulate our students who performed well in their academic and respective merits, whether they are from mechanical, civil, electrical or electronics department. From mechanical department, Mr. Arnav Singh got 3rd position.